Hello everyone, this is Kaveri Devaya. Let me introduce you to the Synergy Premium Heavy Duty Stainless Steel Foldable Cloth Drying Stand, your ultimate solution for hassle-free air drying of clothes. From your delicate hand washables to your everyday laundry, the Synergy Cloth Drying Stand offers convenience like never before. Made of heavy-duty stainless steel, this portable drying rack can be placed anywhere, be it your laundry room, bedroom, or even out of your balcony. Its waterproof epoxy coating not only adds to its sleek appearance but also protects it from rust, stains, and mildew, ensuring durability that lasts. With an impressive 58 feet of drying space, the Synergy drying stand features 24 sturdy rods that provide optimal airflow for quick and efficient drying. Setting up is a breeze. Just expand the wings, lock them in place, and you're all set. And when you're done, fold it flat for easy storage. Say goodbye to drying hassles, bring home the convenience of Synergy Premium Heavy Duty Stainless Steel Foldable Cloth Drying Stand and experience the difference.